The HyperFlow Mikrofilter requires a regular cleaning and maintenance to ensure it functions properly. The frequency of this cleaning depends on the quality of water that has been used with the filter. As it is used, the filter collects particles that gradually clog the filter's elements, reducing flow rate. Backflushing the filter returns the filter cartridge to optimal performance by expelling this debris. It is suggested that backflushing of your HyperFlow microfilter is performed every 8 liters or 1 day of average use to prevent silt buildup and extend the filter's lifespan. Always perform backflushing in a controlled area to prevent the loss of small parts. Do not pump during this operation until instructed, as trapped air will hamper the process. Collect half a liter of filtered water into a clean container. Do not purge remaining water from the filter. Remove the inlet hose and unscrew the pump inlet from the pump cylinder. Reverse the large check valve and then reinstall it into the pump inlet. Pull the pump cylinder to the end of the stroke and turn it until the piston locks, and then use the cylinder to unscrew the piston from the filter cartridge. Reverse the small check valve and carefully reattach the pump cylinder back onto the filter cartridge. Rethread the pump inlet onto the pump cylinder. Connect the container with filtered water to the outlet adapter or outlet nipple. To avoid air getting into the system, be sure to invert the container. Do not pump until the clean water container is attached. Pump 10 or more strokes of filtered water to flush the filter cartridge. Wait for the pump cylinder to fill with water during each stroke. When backflushing is complete, disassemble the pump and reinstall the large and small check valves in their original forward flow position. Hollow fiber technology has some important use considerations. The filter should not be allowed to take a hard drop or to freeze. In cold conditions, put the filter in a watertight storage bag and place it in the foot of your sleeping bag to protect the element from freezing. If you suspect the filter has been damaged, it is easy to check the integrity of the fibers. This must be done after backflushing. Remove the water source from the filter and pump air through it, making sure not to cover the outlet port. This will create an airlock condition. Extend the pump for 4 seconds and then release it. The pump should snap back sharply. If it does not snap back, the filter may be damaged. It is possible to get a failed result even if the filter is intact. This is due to the filter not being properly saturated during the backflush. Following a failed integrity check, repeat the backflush process and retest the filter's integrity. The filter only needs to pass the test once to verify integrity. When the integrity check is complete, disassemble the pump and reinstall the large and small check valves in their original forward flow position. It is also necessary to regularly inspect the check valves, pre-filter, and piston O-ring and maintain them if needed. This can easily be done while performing a backflush on the filter. Take the large and small check valves and clean them, making sure to reinstall them in the correct flow direction. Rinse the pre-filter in clean water to remove any silt or debris that may have built up. Lubricate the piston O-ring using the MSR water filter silicone lubricant, lip balm, or petroleum jelly. MSR water filter silicone lubricant can be found in the MSR HyperFlow maintenance kit. Always disinfect the filter before long-term storage. It can also be disinfected after long-term storage or after 15 days of continuous use to ensure fresh-tasting water. Mix a solution of 1 liter of water with 2 drops of household bleach. Remove the inlet hose from the hose barb and pump the diluted bleach solution through the filter. Take the pump out of the water and continue pumping to purge any solution remaining in the filter cartridge. Completely air dry or towel dry all of the pump assembly parts. Residual bleach inside the filter cartridge will prevent mold or bacteria from growing. Pack and store the pump in its original storage sack. To treat water with suspected waterborne viruses, you can use MSR Aquatabs in conjunction with the HyperFlowT Mikrofilter. More information on the use of disinfectants is available through the Centers for Disease Control at cdc.gov. For more information on MSR products, please visit msrgear.com.